web hosting clients. This is a demonstration on how to use cpanel, the web hosting control panel, to make minor changes to your domain name, such as email, changing the password, setting up new emails, deleting emails, and that type of thing. So the first thing you need to do is go to your domain name, whatever your domain name is, /cpanel. Now for this video demonstration, I'm going to be using a domain that I own, but it'll be exactly the same for you, only with your login and your password, which either I have provided you or that I can provide you. So in my case, I'm using the domain egolfdiscounts, and you can see it's actually a blank page. And then I'm going to go to the end of that and type in the word cpanel. cpanel is the #1 web hosting control panel. And let me actually log out and do that again, because I want you to see the login process. You'll be prompted with a login password dialog box like this, and you'll enter in my case, and then your password. You'll click OK, and then you go to the cpanel control panel. Now from within the cpanel control panel, you can do a whole host of things, and I'm not going to make this a video tutorial on cpanel. You can, if you ever want to, go to YouTube and literally type in cpanel tutorial, or go to Google and type in cpanel tutorial if you really want to learn how to do some other things. How to set up a MySQL database, really simple, and various other things. But for this video demo, I'm just basically going to show you how to set up your email, how to change your password, and that type of thing. So that's going to be the first icon we see. And so we're going to go to Mail, and here we have Add, Remove, and Manage Accounts, and those are email accounts. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And as you can see here, I don't have any email accounts set up yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add my first one, and I'm going to add test. So it's going to be test@egolfdiscounts.com. I'm going to enter in my password, gateway123 for this demonstration. I'm going to remove the disk space limitation, or the quota, so that it's unlimited, and I'm going to hit create. I have now set up test@egolfdiscounts.com with the password gateway123. I can either use this go back button to go back. If I want to go all the way back to the main home page, I would just click up here and hit home page, which I'll do just so you can see. I go back to the main home page, and then I'm going to come back and do my email area. Now another thing that I usually do for you, but you can check it and do it yourself, is the spam assassin. This really goes a long way in filtering out bulk email so that it doesn't hit your inbox. It's not foolproof, but it does. It's better than nothing. And so you can see here that Spam Assassin is currently disabled. I want it enabled. I want to use it. So I just simply use this button right here to simply have the server delete and not deliver emails that are tagged as spam by Spam Assassin. Click here. And that's what I prefer. And so I'll give it a second. And it's now been activated, enabling Spam Assassin filtered. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And at this point in time, I have set up an email. I'm going to go ahead and set up another email just so I can show you how I would delete the email. And I'm going to call this email test2, same password, gateway123. I don't want to limit. Create. I don't need to do the Spam Assassin each time I set up an email. You do that one time, and that'll cover all the emails that you'll ever do. But let's say that now that test2 was actually being used by an employee. The employee is no longer with my company, and I want to delete this email. You can see the delete button right next to that email. I'm going to go ahead and click delete. Yes, I want to delete it, and I can go back go back, and now I'm back to the email window. That's it. I have now set up my email account. Let's go back to add, remove, and manage accounts. Let's say that in this test at egolfdiscounts.com, it's been currently set up with the password gateway123, as you saw. Let's say that I think someone might have figured out my password, or I shared the password with somebody. I really don't want them to have password. I want to be the only person with the password to my email account. Simply go over to password, click it, enter in the new password, gateway, and this will be 234 for this demonstration. Click change, and that's it. The password, which was gateway123, is now gateway234, or anything else that I want it to be, obviously. So that's it. We've successfully set up an email, we've deleted an email, and we've changed the password. We've enabled Spam Assassin, and you have full control over your entire email accounts that go with your account to do with whatever that you want to do. I think that you see this is a pretty straightforward and easy process. So this concludes this particular video tutorial. Thank you.